Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 GMC Savana 2500 cargo van. This one stickers for $35,335 and is finished in Summit White over medium pewter. This one features the 6.0 liter Vortec V8 mated to a 6-speed automatic. The base engine for the 2020 Savana is a 4.3 liter V6, however, personally I would go with the 6.0. The 6.0 liter is part of the communications package, which also features the leather-wrapped steering wheel, Sirius XM radio, which comes with 3 months free when you purchase the vehicle, Bluetooth, as well as a locking rear differential and keyless entry. Also available is 4G LTE Wi-Fi. As with every new GM vehicle, it comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. If you want the passenger van, we do have that as an option as well as cutaway chassis. So these are very, very customizable based on what you want in your vehicle. So we're going to go ahead, play the last clip of the interior, and we will head out on the road. Alright, and now onto the drive of this GMC Savana. As stated before, this one has the V8, a 6.0 liter V8, instead of the V6. So let's go ahead and see how she drives. This is actually a nice interior, quite a big upgrade from the Express van. The leather wrapped wheel is really, really nice. Overall, the driving dynamics are really great. As stated in the intro, this can be used as either this cargo van layout, or you can get it as a passenger van, which is great for airport shuttles and just shuttles in general, like if for your service department. It's a really versatile van. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.